Well, it's no secret that the elevator at Low Mill Arts and Entertainment has been out of operation for some time.
Now, since last summer, artists, vendors, and customers have had to climb the stairs if they wanted to visit the second and third floors. But we've learned there could be a solution to get the elevator up and running. News 19's Alexa Harley joins us now in the studio. And Alexa, what is the update on the elevator repairs?
Well, Jerry, the biggest issue that has impacted how quickly the elevator could get fixed was the fact the elevator was built in 1901. And up until recently, finding a company that was able to repair a 123-year-old elevator was near impossible. A contract has been signed and repairs will be started as soon as possible. While the elevator will be repaired, it will still have some of that vintage charm it had before.
It will be a new elevator. It won't be the exact same one. It will hopefully still look similar to the rest of Low Mill, but it won't be operated by a mechanic. It will just be a regular kind of elevator that you walk in and push a button for.
It has been a frustrating couple of months searching for a company that could take on repairing an older elevator. The lack of working elevators has impacted both vendors and artists, as well as customers. The only way to access the second and third floor was by taking the stairs, and that is not an accessible option for everyone. Now with the repairs and the works on the elevator, people are excited about the future.
We have had several studios move from the second floor to the first floor because of accessibility issues. And then we've also had several studios that have had to shut down due to just either supply issues, getting what they need up and down all those stairs, or different output issues. It's going to be a really significant change and excitement for everybody.
And Cook also tells me that there is a preliminary discussion about adding an additional elevator to the property in the future.